What's going on, RESHOEVN8R Nation? I'm Jordan and I'm back with another Shoe Care Academy video. You guys liked my cleaning last time, especially that wink part. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean up these Air Jordan 1 Seafoams, which are my personal pair, and they're looking quite rough. Today I'm going to be using our essential cleaning kit and potentially our dry suede kit once they're dry to see if the nubuck is crunchy. But without further ado, let's get started on this cleaning. All right, for before and after purposes, I'm only going to be cleaning the right shoe, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this left shoe aside. And then the first step is to use our adjustable shoe tree, which will allow us to have more pressure on the toe box and avoid creasing. So these are a size 10 in women's. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust this. And then the next step will be to remove the laces. So before we get started on this cleaning, we're going to be talking about the materials of this shoe. This shoe does have a nubuck upper. Nubuck can be kind of tricky to clean, similar to suede. It can get water spots, so when you're cleaning this shoe, make sure you clean the entire thing evenly, not just one spot. I also don't know if this shoe is going to bleed any color, so we will be learning through this cleaning for you guys. So now we're gonna get started cleaning the uppers with our soft bristle brush. All right, I'm finished hitting up the entire uppers with our soft bristle brush. Now we're going to be using our medium bristle brush to hit up some of these tougher stains on the toe box, some of the stitching, as well as the tongue, and then take on these midsoles. Now this shoe is a little darker in color right now because it's wet, but once it dries, we will see if this returns to its normal color. All right, I am not the biggest sneakerhead in the office, but when these released this year, I knew that I wanted them. They are in one of my favorite colors, although I didn't really like the laces that they originally came with the orange lining, so I went ahead and replaced them with the pure white laces that you guys watched me take out earlier, and now they are definitely my favorite shoe of the year. Jordan 1s are my favorite silhouette as of right now, but depending on what drops next year, that could change. Let us know in the comment section below what you guys rate this shoe this year. All right guys, I'm back. We went ahead and let the shoe dry overnight. We did notice some deeper staining, so we went ahead and cleaned it one more time with our essential kit. There is still some stains on here on the swoosh and the toe box, but overall the cleaning came out great. It is worth noting that we had to put this shoe in the laundry system to get a proper clean. So the next step for this cleaning is to reset the nap on the nubuck using our brass brush. Now I've never used this brush, but Vic Almighty said to make sure that we just don't hit the leather. Ain't that right, Vic?
That's right.
So we're not going to apply a ton of pressure, but we're gonna let the brass brush do its thing. All right guys, as you can see, we're all done resetting the nap on the nubuck, and as you can see, this shoe is looking much better than it did before we started cleaning it. Although there is some differences between this shoe and the dead stock shoe that we brought in from our sister store, Many Worlds, but for the most part, this cleaning came out pretty great. So as a reminder, I used our essential cleaning kit, our laundry system, and our brass brush to get this shoe from this to this. Now this wasn't my best cleaning, so there is a chance I'm fired after this one. But if you guys want to see me back on a Shoe Care Academy video, make sure you comment and say keep Jordan around. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe today, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon.